Before starting the AutoCAD drawing, we should change the drafting settings. So what are those settings? We will see in command bar. Type ds, enter. This snap should be off. Okay, right now if you observe, the snap x spacing is 10 and y spacing is 10. So if I click on line, here you can see the cursor jumps. This jumping distance is 10 millimeters. So make sure that this snap is off. So escape, ds, enter. So snap should be off. Then grid should be on, because here you can see the grid spacing in x direction is 10. So this will be 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. And every 5 major line, here you can see a darker line has been provided. So grid we will keep on. Polar tracking we have to keep on. It will track the angles. So here I have kept 90-degree increment angles will be tracked, and if you click on additional angles, you can even add new angle like 30-degree. So when I draw a line like this, here you can see now the angle 30-degree can be tracked. So this is 30. Then from this point, here you can see 90-degree. So like this you can track the angles. So ds, enter. We have kept polar tracking on. Object snap should be on. Object snap means we have different modes, like end point is shown by a square, midpoint is shown by a triangle. So if I keep this off, click on line, here you will see it is not being tracked by a square, and midpoint is also not being tracked by a triangle. So escape, ds, enter. Make sure here you click in object snap. Object snap should be on, and here you have to select all and click on OK. Now if you check, here you can see at the end we are getting square endpoint, and midpoint we are getting a triangle. Next, drafting settings. Escape, ds, enter. Object snap tracking should be on. Snap tracking should be on. What is meaning of this? So suppose you want to track the end point of this, so here you can track this, and then from here you can draw a separate line. By default it will be in same line with this point. Okay, so that is basically object snap tracking. So these modes you can track. Then dynamic input, you can give the values which you specify near the crosshair itself. So enable pointer input should be on. Okay, everything you keep on and click on OK. So this is it. Again I'll repeat, ds, enter. In snap and grid, snap should be off, then grid should be on. Polar tracking should be on. Object snap should be on. Snap tracking should be on. You have to select all. Dynamic input, everything should be selected, and then you will click OK. That is it.